Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a aluminium foil decor. The things we require are black paper, aluminium foil, a bottle of glue and a pair of scissors. Now we'll fold the foil into the petals. Now I'll take another piece of foil and draw a circle. Now let's cut the circle. Now let's assemble the petals. Now let's paste them. Now I am done with the pasting of the petals, and now let's fold the extra ones. Now my wall decor is ready. Isn't it looking beautiful? If you don't have aluminium foil, you can even use newspaper and make it on a colorful paper. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you soon. Goodbye.